What doesn't Abiy Ahmed get? Tigray doesn't like you. They don't want to be with you. Why the fuck did they need a Tigray liberated army? Baka! Honestly, enough is enough, guys. Abiy Ahmed, Tigray don't like you. Get over it. They are setting strong boundaries. They're setting strong borders. This is the typical behavior of a narcissist. They don't need to be liberated from the TPLF because they like the TPLF. Because guess what, you jealous motherfucker? Tigray was living in peace under the TPLF for the last 30 fucking years. There has been no war. There has been no crimes. It's not because they have been attacking other people. It's because guess what? Tigrayans just want to live in peace. Because they just want to live in peace. They don't want to be part of this bullshit of Ethiopia first, of Amhara first. They don't fucking want it. The Oromo don't fucking want it anymore. Get over it, Abiy. People don't like you except for those little people that are into your ass, sucking their teeth right up into your butt cheeks. You piece of fucking shit. Tigrayans don't want to be part of you. They do not need a Tigray Liberation Army to liberate them from the TPLF. They want the TPLF. The fuck is wrong with you? Khasas, Jala, Anjab. Wow, gumama.